This is Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Let's do some plane spotting. Now, today we're going to be rating airplanes on their landingness, if they're landing, or if they're taking off, their takeoffness. And don't worry, my results will be biased based on my thoughts on the airline. Starting the day off with the 737-800 from American Airlines, let's rate its takeoffness, Not bad, American. Takeoffness rating 7.265 out of 10. Now we have the Silver Airways ATR 72. Let's see how this landingness is going to be like. Whoa, hold on a minute. That was way too late of a touchdown. I mean, like that's definitely not a touchdown zone. Points deducted. This thing is Dane. 4.275 out of 10. Here we have a JetBlue A320. Let's see how this landingness goes. You know what? That was on touchdown zone. Pretty nice, pretty smooth. 8.2 out of 10 landingness. Next up, Southwest 737-800. There's a bit of a bump there. Landingness 6 out of 10. So I just realized I'm only 2 minutes into this video. And let's start into kind of repetitive. So here's a quick montage of my landingness / takeoffness ratings. Like this one was a good 8 out of 10 landingness. I said I was going to do a montage, but that was a 10 out of 10 landingness. Okay, now we're going back to the commentary because I just want to mention this is the airplane that we actually went to the airport for. The Azul A320neo coming in from Berlin. It was actually like a 6-hour flight or something. That was pretty interesting. So we went down to, see it land. So let's rate this landingness is. This is a 7 out of 10 the landingness scale. Okay, co-pilot Joe, you ready to perform this stellar takeoffness, man? Oh yeah, man, I'm actually very much ready. Yeah, let's do this. Oh wait, man, I'm sorry. Left the car turned on again. We gotta go back. Oh yeah, it's cool, co-pilot. It's ATC KFLL. We're returning to the day because my co-pilot here he left his car turned on. I hope you understand. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Expect a delay of around 700 hours for undisclosed reasons. No, we won't refund you, and no, there won't be any vouchers for this flight. Thank you for choosing American Airlines. So I hope you enjoyed the return of aviation related content to my channel. Lots more coming up, like I don't know, potentially next month an airline review. Oh no, I've said too much. Anyways, hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in next month's video. Bye.